How to remove double click on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, my name is Mal and I will show you how you can remove the double click on WhatsApp. So to do that, just follow the following steps and watch the video till the end. When you go on your WhatsApp and go on the top right side which have vertical dots and go on settings and tap on chat, you can see there is no option that makes the double tick disabled. So what can you do is just go back and just give a long press on WhatsApp, go on app info. So some of the devices have it and some does not have it. So after going on app info, if you see the information like disable mobile data and disable Wi-Fi, then just disable the mobile data and Wi-Fi on this after doing this. But if you don't have such options, then what else can you do is just again go back and long press on WhatsApp, tap on app info, tap on force stop and tap on force stop. This will make your WhatsApp completely freeze and the double tick will not be shown in your WhatsApp. So this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you. If you like the video, then please do subscribe our channel. And if you have any suggestions or any comments, then please do comment on the comment section. That's all for today. See you on the next video.